Hello dear students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are fine and keeping yourself safe at home. So children, so far now we have completed our first chapter. Okay, we have come to the end of the first chapter. Now what is left? Yes, exercises, questions. So today in this video we will be going to discuss the exercises, questions. Okay children, so be ready with your pencil and eraser and take out page number 8. This is your page number 8. From here we will do the exercises questions. I have already given you these questions to do of your own, but in this video I'm just going to do a revision so that you can see that whether you have written the answers correctly or not. You can cross check your answers from here also. So children, here comes our first question. Now look at the screen. Look at your computer screen. Here I am sending you the pic of the questions. I am just reading it from the book. You just watch the screen from where I am reading this question. Okay. Now here comes our first question. That is question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So children, here 4 options I have given. You have to find out the correct answer and then you have to fill it in the correct statement. Okay. So let us get started. The first part is a computer is an dash machine. So children, tell me what computer is, what kind of machine, children? Yes. Computer is an electronic machine. E-L-E-C, elect, T-R-O, tro, N-I-C, nick. Electronic machine. Okay. Now, come to the second part. A computer needs the right dash. Children, I have told you that computer cannot work of its own. So, it requires proper instructions, proper commands. Yes, it requires right commands through us. So, a computer needs the right what? Yes, options are given over here. So, write down commands. C-O-M-M-A-N-D-S. Commands. Very good, children. Now come to the third part. Dash can be carried from one place to another. Just recall it, children. We have studied about the 3 types of computer: desktop computer, laptop computer and palm top. Which one of them can be carried from one place to another? See children, laptop and palm top, they both can be carried from one place to another. They are portable devices. But here in the option, palm top is not written, only laptop is written. So what you will write down? Yes, you will write down laptop. L-A-P, lap, T-O-P, top. Laptops are what? You can keep them on your lap. We can keep them on a lap. Okay, they can be carried from one place to another. We can keep them in bag and we can carry them from one place to another. Okay, so children, come to the 4th point. Human can make dash. Yes, children, human can make mistakes. In the option it is given, so write down mistakes. M-I-S, miss, T-A-K-E-S, takes, mistakes. Okay, done children? Yes, now come to the second question. Look at the screen. I'm just reading it from book. You just look at the screen which question is there. Question number 2, match the following. So now children, what you have to do, you have to match the following here with these words with the correct picture. So the first is given tablet. Okay, this is a tablet. Okay, so match it with this. It has already been done for you. This is how you have to do the rest of the questions. Second is L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. Which one of them is a laptop, children? Yes, this is the laptop. So match this with this. Very good. Now come to next, third part. P-A-L-M, palm, T-O-P, top, palm top. This is your palm top. Okay, you can keep it in your palm, on your hand. So, this is your palm top. Match it with like this. Desktop computer, D-E-S-K, desk, T-O-P, top. Desktop computer. This is the desktop computer. Okay, this is how you have to match. Now, children, third question. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. If Few statements have been given over here in your book, children. 4 statements have been given. You have to read them and you have to find out whether they are written correctly. If they are written correctly, then write down true. If they are wrong statements, then write down F for false. Okay. Now, just come to the first point. We can watch movies, play games and do lot more with the help of computer. Is it a correct statement, children? Yes. Computer can be used for several purposes in which we can watch some of them, like we can watch movies on it, we can play games on it, we can store information in it, and we can do lot more. So this statement is true. So write down T, children. T for true. Yes, you have to write down T here. Done. Now come to the next point. Move on to page number 9. Second point is computer can make mistakes. Children, computer can make mistakes? No, children, computer cannot make mistakes unless you will give them the wrong instruction. If we user give them the wrong instruction, then only it will do mistake, otherwise it will not. Okay, so computer cannot do mistakes of its own. Okay, so it requires write command. Write down false. We humans can make mistakes, but a computer cannot. Okay, now third one. Desktop computer is big in size. Yes, children. Desktop is from, we have studied 3 types of computers like laptop, palm top and desktop. From all of them, desktop is very big in size. So this statement is true. So write down true. T. Okay. Then come to the 4th point. We can carry palm tops in our pockets also. Yes, children, palm tops are like very small in size. You can hold them in your palm, on your hand like this. Okay, so they can be carried and you can keep them in your pocket as well. So write down true. This statement is true. Now children, come to question number 8. Give one word for the following. First one is, it can be used for storing lots of information. Children, which machine is required for storing a lot of information? Which machine can store information and data? Yes, children, a computer. So write down computer. Computer can store a lot of information and data on it. Okay. Now, second one. Who has made the wonderful machine called computer? See, children, most of the students have written Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. He has invented. But here they are asking who has made. A human. Humans. We humans have made this wonderful machine. Okay, write down human. Okay. Third, a computer that is kept on a desk. Yes, children. Question is itself is suggesting the answer. So write down desktop computer. These computers can be kept on desk. Okay, they are very big in size and they cannot be carried from one place to another. Okay, children. Now, 4th one. In which year was the first computer developed? It was first developed in 1940. Which year? 1940. Okay. If I ask you in which year, then you will write down 1940. If I ask you what is the size of the computer, then you will write down as large as a classroom or as large as a room. Okay, children? Now, we have done the 8th question. Come to the next question, question number 9. So children, here comes our first question. Here, question number 9, first part. What is the use of a computer? So children, write down the answer. This is how you have to write down the answer in your book. Computer is used to watch movies, play games, draw pictures, etc. These all are the uses of a computer. Okay, we can also send and receive messages. If you are having space, you can write down the answer, but you can write down only 3 points as well. Okay, these 3 points are enough. Now, question number 2 here is given on page number 10. This. Question number 2. how does a computer work? Children, how it works? Computer can work with the help of the instructions given by us. Computer cannot work of its own, so it requires what? It requires human instructions to work on. Okay? Now, question number 3. Define laptop. It is a small computer that can be easily kept on our laps. It can be carried from one place to another. Write down this answer in your book. Now, come to the next question. Question number 4. What was the size of the first computer? Write down the answer. It was as large as a classroom. Okay. So, what was the size of the first computer? It was as large as a classroom. Now children, come to the next question, question number 10, long answer questions. Okay, these questions I have given you in your notebook to do. So you have to write down these answers in your notebook if you are not having space in your book. Okay, just cross check your answers. Computers are different from human beings. Give any 2 points. We have studied about 4 or 5 points of differences between computer and human beings. Out of them, any 2 points which you find is easy, you can write down. You can take help from book as well. There also answers are given, points are given. But here I have written, so you can write down the answer from here as well. Computers work very fast. Human cannot work as fast as the computer. So this is the first difference between a computer and a human being. Second, computers never make any mistakes. But we humans can make mistakes. So this is the another point of difference between computer and human beings. Okay children, now come to the next question. Question number 2. Name different types of computer. So you will write down like this. Different types of computer are, first, desktop computer, second, laptop, and third one is the palm top. P-A-L-M-T-O-P, palm top. Okay. Desktop computer, laptop, palm top. Okay. So this is how you will write down the answer. Okay children. Now come to the next question. Question number 11. Multiple choice questions. Which of these pictures is of a laptop? See, 3 different types of computers pictures is given here. You have to find out which one of them is a laptop. This is a palm top. This is a desktop. This is laptop. So put a tick mark. This is a laptop. Put a tick mark over here. Now come to the second one. You need to give computers the dash commands. See children, what kind of commands we need to give them the computer so that they could not make mistakes? Right, left, straight, or none of these? Yes children, we have to give the computer right commands. So right, put a tick mark over here. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right command. Okay. Third, dash computers cannot be carried from one place to another. Just recall it children, which one of them cannot be carried from one place to another? Desktop, palm top, laptop. None of these. Desktop, which computer children? Desktop computer cannot be taken from one place to another. Okay, they are very big in size, so it is not possible to take them from one place to another. Fourth one, to make a computer work, we need to give dash to it. If you want a computer to work, what is required? What we have to give it? Food, instructions, newspapers, none of these. Yes children, we have to give them the right instructions. So put a tick mark over here, instructions. So children, write down the answers in your book in a very neat and clean handwriting. Children, this is now for today in this video. Do the question answers, revise the chapter, go through the chapter, watch the video carefully. Okay, if still there is any doubt, you can ask me through me. So children, I'll be taking your leave now. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.